So now we wait, and we are off. It's super nice out with the sun out. And then it cools down once the clouds cover the sun. Oh, I love mountain coasters. They're so fun. Full speed ahead. Go, 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 go. Yeah, this one would be cool at night with the lights on. Oh yeah, it's super fast, Cable Hill. Oh, that's cool. They go right under us. Yeah, mountain coasters, you first have to go up a bunch of like lift hills. Oh, this is sweet. Sun poking through the trees. You can't see me, but I have a smile on my face right now. Yeah, see how long the lift hill is? Nikki's behind me. She's got the wrist strap, but with the GoPro on it, but I don't know how well she'll get it because of the braking and stopping with the handles on each side. She might not be able to get too great a footage, but we'll see. Probably get some sound clips at least of her giggling on it. So peaceful going up here. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but the light's trickling in front of the car. That's sweet. Oh, this would be so cool at night. And look at it's falling behind the train in front of us. I mean, again, I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but that is pretty sweet for a mountain coaster. Yeah, it's like 50 degrees out and I'm wearing shorts. Alright, looks like we're here. I don't know if there's any more lift hills on this or not, but at least this is the first round. Hopefully we can go full speed ahead.
Please push your handles forward now and enjoy your ride.
Woo! Oh, I can't go full speed. Come on. let's get some airtime. Woo. Woo. Oh, come on, go. Oh yeah, laterals. Great views. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Don't slow down. Oh, yeah. All right, kind of a short one.
Please keep your handles down until the end of the ride. Please keep your handles down until the end of the ride.